Welcome back to task number 2. In the previous task, we created our Chatfuel account and explored the Chatfuel's dashboard in detail. In this task, we'll start building our chatbot. We will create our welcome message and menu in this task. For the sake of this project, we'll be creating a lead generation chatbot with email and Google Sheets automation for an automobile dealer for Suzuki. I myself have worked in the automobile industry for 4 years, so we'll be creating a sales lead generation chatbot for Maruti Suzuki cars. So first things first, whenever a subscriber message you through Messenger, they land in the automate tab. So this is the welcome message that they see in the beginning. So previously, all the chatbots were created through the Automate tab, and you can still create an entire full functioning chatbot with this tab, but we are not going to do so. Recently, Chatfuel has added this flow builder, and we are going to use this flow builder section to create our chatbot because it is very easy, intuitive, and logical. Now, as I mentioned to you, the visitor lands on this automate page first and they see this welcome message at first. So before we begin, we need to redirect the visitor from automate to flow. We'll not be using this welcome message section from here in the automate tab. We'll be building a brand new welcome message section in the flow builder. The reason we are doing so is because we'll be creating a menu in the welcome message and we are going to connect it to different blocks, which is not possible over here. So you can see an option over here, so please click on it and delete it, delete card, and delete card again, and you can see a default answer over here. We are going to delete this as well, delete, and delete card. So now we are going to redirect the user from automate tab to the flow tab, and for that we are going to click on redirect to button, and we are going to use our flow default group flow. Done. So now we can go to our flow builder and create our welcome message. So now the visitor will see this message first. So click on add content and click on text and buttons. So now we are going to write our welcome message. Hi. So we are going to personalize this message. We are using this chatbot with Messenger that has almost a billion users. We are going to personalize this chatbot. Personalization is very effective. So since Messenger already has information about your users, there is no point in asking them again. So we are going to use public data from Messenger to auto-populate some of the fields like first name, last name, email, and phone. So you can use two curly brackets and you can see all these informations that we can actually pop up. So we are going to use customer's first name. So we want our chatbot to call our users by the first name. So hi Evan, welcome, authorized Suzuki dealers, choose an option from the menu. So hi Evan, welcome to authorized Suzuki dealers. Choose an option from the menu. And now we are going to create our menu. Now we are going to use three buttons for the menu section. Every customer are different and they are at the different stages of customer journey. There should be something for every visitors. The first one will be those visitors who wants to buy a Suzuki car. So one button for them that says book a test drive. Now these customers that click on this button are very ahead in the customer journey. They have already made up their mind, they have done the research. These are hot leads and are extremely important, very important, and must be prioritized. So we are going to create a button, click on add a button, and book a test drive. So our next section will be for those customers that might be planning to buy a car soon but might be looking for some offers or discount. So we are going to create an offer and a sense of urgency for buyers. We are basically offering them a limited number of customers some discounts or offers. So this section is going to be explore new offers, and our third section is going to be talk to our advisors. Now, this is for those people or visitors that wants to have a one-to-one conversation with our advisor. They might have some complaints or they might want to ask something. So our welcome message and the menu is complete. That's all for this task. In this task, we created our welcome section. In the next task, we'll create blocks for each of these items in the menu. See you in the next task.